You have to keep it very precise that, okay, this is a sales pitch. If you are selling yourself, what all I have to mention? So if we keep that in mind, it will be really helpful for you to get a direction on what information can I put and what information can I avoid putting it. Also, I've just added few points. It's not an official document. It is an open canvas. People can choose their own formats. Very few colleges and companies, they have some specific formats. If anybody from IIMs or IITs, you would know the what do they call, the career cell or the placement cell. They help people to create the resumes in a specific format because they believe that's the best thing possible.